Every year, people line up to get their flu shots, but those shots aren't always as effective as they should be. Researchers at Duke University are working on a possible solution. Steve Sprasia has that story.
Current flu vaccines don't protect against all variations of the virus, and every year, drug makers have to reformulate the vaccine based on predictions of what's likely to be circulating this flu season.
It's hard to know what's going to happen until you actually get into the season.
This week, Duke researchers received a $30 million award to start working on creating, testing, and manufacturing a universal flu vaccine. But before they can do that, they've got to find ways to improve current flu vaccines. What you're looking at here in this lab at Duke is the safety testing of a possible new flu vaccine to make sure that it's pure as well as safe before it's ever given to humans.
So we've got a bunch of new ideas that are out there, and the goal is to try to test these new ideas.
Duke researchers tell me they already have several vaccine candidates that will make shots more effective. There are several levels of clinical studies. Phase 1 makes sure the product is safe. Phase 2 looks at its side effects and effectiveness. The time between discovery and actual use can be sometimes years.
It can be, and part of that is because we want to make sure that the vaccines are effective and safe and can be manufactured.
Mass producing the vaccine is the key. For the past 15 years, Duke researchers have worked on a project to make an HIV vaccine.
These systems can now rapidly be transferred to the civics program to make the universal flu vaccine.
In the past, vaccines were primarily produced in eggs, but that's a slow process. Duke researchers use a more modern technology, which they say makes their labs look more like a brewery environment.
It has human cells or other types of cells that have been developed to produce the vaccine candidates.
Working for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Sprasia.